The goji berry, also called the wolfberry, is a bright orange-red berry that comes from a shrub that's native to China. Goji berries are tiny red fruits packed with antioxidants and powerful medicinal properties. They're not only great for adding a pop of color to your plate, but also delicious and full of flavor. These berries are often sold powdered or dried. Plus, they're added to many supplements and juice blends. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the incredible benefits of natural superfoods for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 health benefits of goji berries and sharing creative ways to incorporate these nutrient-packed berries into your daily diet. Get ready to discover the wonders of goji berries and how they can positively impact your well-being. Benefit number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Goji berries are bursting with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. These powerful antioxidants can support healthy aging, boost immune function, and protect against chronic diseases. Benefit number 2. Boosts immune system. Goji berries are a great source of vitamins A and C, which are essential for a robust immune system. Consuming goji berries regularly can help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms and promote overall well-being. Benefit number 3. Supports eye health. Goji berries contain high levels of zeaxanthin and lutein, 2 potent antioxidants that have been linked to eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from harmful UV radiation and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Benefit number 4. Enhances energy and vitality. Goji berries are known for their energizing properties. They are rich in nutrients and provide a natural source of sustained energy, making them an ideal snack for boosting vitality and fighting fatigue. Benefit number 5. Regulates blood sugar. Goji berries have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them a suitable option for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar and support stable energy levels. Now that we've explored the top health benefits of goji berries, let's talk about some simple and delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. Idea number 1. Goji berry smoothie bowl. Blend goji berries with your favorite fruits, a splash of almond milk, and a handful of spinach for a vibrant and nutritious smoothie bowl. Top it with granola, goji berries, and a drizzle of honey for added flavor and texture. Idea number 2. Goji berry trail mix. Create a homemade trail mix by combining goji berries with nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate chips. This goji berry trail mix is a perfect on-the-go snack, packed with nutrients and a hint of natural sweetness. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding goji berries to your diet, as they may interact with these medications. In summary, goji berries offer an impressive array of health benefits, from antioxidant-rich properties to immune system support and more. By incorporating goji berries into your daily diet through smoothie bowls, trail mixes, or even as a topping for yogurt or salads, you can enjoy their incredible nutritional benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insights on the power of superfoods. Thank you for watching, and may goji berries become a delightful and nourishing addition to your daily routine.